Hi, this is Dr. Story. If you have knees that are clicking all the time, when you walk up a flight of stairs, your knees make noise, the back of your kneecap clicks, and things of that nature, I'm going to show you how to fix it, and it's only going to cost you $3. And this is what you have to buy. You're going to buy a lacrosse ball, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now, the reason why people get clicking knees, for the most part, and this is not every patient, but my experience has been that most people have too tight quadriceps on the outside and weakness of the muscle of the quadriceps on the inside. Roll out the lateral side or the outside of your kneecap. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So let's do that. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. You're going to do essentially a side plank while this is on the outside of your knee. Now this is your kneecap right here. I'm going to pull up my leg so you can see. This here is the kneecap, and you see this line right here. This is the back side of the thigh. And what you're going to do is you're going to take that foam roller and you're going to go right to the side and roll it across the entire side of the knee. So what happens is you're going to get on right there. You're going to apply pressure, and you're going to roll back and forth just like this on the outside of the knee. And what'll happen is you'll start to remove and loosen all those trigger points around the outside of the knee. This works very, very effective. You do it for about 2 to 3 minutes every single day, and almost in no time this will start reducing the clicking of your knee. I will give patients this home care to do. I also do things to remove scar tissue in between the individual muscles. I also have patients sometimes will do terminal knee extensions, and I'm going to make another video about that to strengthen the inside part of the quadricep to balance out the kneecap so they no longer get the clicking. If you thought this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're watching. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any specific questions in regard to how to do this, let me know in the comment section below. I'd be happy to answer it for you.